Hi guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas day 17, I think. Yeah, 17, I had to check. Wow, I can't believe how close Christmas is. It's getting a little crazy, but I wanted to do kind of like a New Year's Eve, you could wear this on Christmas or for a Christmas party type of makeup tutorial because I have always wanted to do a look like this, and I actually just got some new products that just came out from NYX. The products that are from NYX that I used, I will be showing you in the video. Sorry, I'm like dropping things, but they are right here. So it's the glitter on my eye is from NYX, and then my lip is also from NYX, and these are all new products that they just came out with recently, so I'm really excited, and I can't wait to show you guys this look. I just think it turned out so well. Obviously, you can alter this makeup tutorial however you want to. Like, you don't have to do a bold lip. You could just do the eyes, or you could just do the lip and do a lighter eye, but I really like the bold eyes with the bold lip. I think they pair really well together, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I will go ahead and get into the tutorial now.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here.
So I already did my face makeup, my bronzer, my highlight, and my blush and my brows, just like the basic face stuff, just to get that out of the way so that I didn't have to waste time, because I know most of you guys only care about like the eyes and the lips and stuff like that, but I will show you what I used for my highlight and my blush and bronzer. For bronzer, I can't talk today, I used this 100% pure bronzer in the color Cocoa Glow. It's their cocoa pigmented bronzer. I love this one. It just is very natural looking on the skin, and it just gives a really pretty glow, and it's made with really natural ingredients as well. I love 100% pure. They have the best makeup. For blush, I used my NARS blush in the color Sin. Oh, for highlight, I used the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. Oh wait, yeah, it's the Mega Glow Hello Halo liquid highlighter, and this one's in the color Halo Graphic, and so it's kind of like a holographic type color. It's got like pink, purple, like duo chrome to it sort of, and then I topped it with this powder highlight from Becca. It's in the color Moonstone, so it's just kind of like a champagne. And now I'm going to get started with my eyes. I'm going to start out with like my crease and my lid. So I'm going to use this MAC eyeshadow in the color Print. And this is basically just like a charcoal color. It does have a tiny bit of shimmer to it, but it honestly like shows up more matte on your eyes once you put it on. So I'm going to use a fluffy blending crease brush and apply this in my crease. Alright, and then now to blend the like crease part right here with the blank area where there's no shadow, I'm just going to use a clean, just like dense angled brush. Okay, so now it looks much more blended. And now I'm going to use a black color, and this is just a matte black. You can use any matte black you want, and I'm going to use another fluffy crease brush and use this in the outer V of my eye. And this is going to add the really nice smoky effect. Okay, and now I'm going to take this blending same brush again, the dense one, and just lightly soften the edges of this. Nothing crazy because we don't want it to get smudged. And I will go in and like clean up these edges afterwards when we're done, but for now this is what we're going for. So I just zoomed you guys back out because I showed you like the main detail of what I'm doing. Now I'm going to use this new product from NYX. It's the Glitter Goals. This stuff is lit, you guys. You need to check this out. It's very similar to these Stila liquid glitter shadows, and I have one of these, but I'm really excited that NYX came out with something similar because I really like those, but they're very expensive, and these are a lot more affordable. So this one is in the color Imaginarium, and I'm going to be putting this right on the like inner half to inner fourth of my lid. Wow, this looks amazing. And it's very pigmented, so I would wipe off your brush on the edges of the bottle just so that you don't get too much. And I would keep your eyes closed until it's dry, because it can kind of, if you open up your eye too wide, it can like transfer onto the upper lid where you do not want it to be. So just be careful of that. And I'm just kind of tapping with my finger to blend it with the black, just like, so it's not just like a harsh like line where it's like glitter and then shadow. Like you just want to tap. Yeah, I'm gonna do some black winged liner, and I'm just gonna use this one from Well People. And then I'm gonna put on some of these wispy false lashes from Ardell. I freaking love these. They are the best for my eye shape. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'll be right back because it just takes too long for me to record that. Alright, so I just put on my lashes, and while I'm waiting for the glue to dry so I can do my mascara, I'm going to do a couple little things. Like I have to put stuff underneath here still. I have nothing down there yet. I need to put some shadow down there, and then I also need to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners. So for my lower lash line, I am going to use the color that I used in my crease first, the MAC Print eyeshadow, and I'm just going to use a little smudge type brush and apply that underneath. And for my brow bone, I'm going to use the same Becca highlight that I used on my cheekbones, except I'm just going to use my finger to apply it, trying not to get it in my eyebrows. Okay, and then on my inner corner. So for my lips, this is also a new product that NYX came out with. It's a lip kit, and this one is in the color Girl Bye. Okay, now I'm gonna put on the mascara. Alright guys, I hope you liked this. I will see you all in tomorrow's episode of Vlogmas. Bye!